Good afternoon, everybody. Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. So, today's video is about ADL skills. A lot of parents say that, my kid's ADL is very good. In fact, today I was talking to a friend and she also said the same thing that, no, ADL wise, my son is good. He can do a lot of stuff. He can do most of his stuff on his own. He can bathe, he can eat, he can dress up on his own. And I said, okay, so is that all what ADL is about? She said, yeah, he can manage himself. He's good with ADL. And then I asked a couple of questions to which she said no. And that's what gave me the thought that, this is the normal thought process about ADL. That it's about wearing clothes, it's about eating your food, it's about personal hygiene, your bathing and you're wearing your clothes and at the most choosing your clothes at the most. But ADL is the base of everything when it comes to a kid on the spectrum. A kid with high ADL skills has a far more possibility of doing well in life as opposed to a kid who is pretty good academically, is coping up with syllabus and everything, but is lacking on ADL skills. Now, how? I will just explain with the help of an example. Like, I asked a couple of questions to this friend of mine, and the answers were a no for most of them. So, the questions are like these. Will your child be able to go cross the road, go to your boutique, tell the tailor that मम्मी का पैकेट दे दो, मम्मी के सूट रेडी हो गए कि नहीं? Will he be able to give you a call from there and say कि ये बोल रहा है कि 3 सूट रेडी है और एक अभी पेंडिंग है? Will he be able to do the money transaction? Will he be able to go to a grocer? Will he be able to say भैया आधे किलो की सूजी दे दो और पिछले जो 20 रुपए थे वो भी काट लो? Will he be able to walk your dog, he or she, independently, crossing the road, protecting your pet from other strays? Yeah, if you have a pet. If you don't have a pet, will he be able to look at his cycle and say, इसमें हवा खत्म हो गई है, मैं साइकिल वाले के पास जा रहा हूँ, हवा भरा के आ रहा हूँ? For people who are not able to understand Hindi, what I'm saying is all the day-to-day activities which knowingly, unknowingly, you as a parent have been doing up until now. Leave alone all this, even a smaller thing like will he be able to, when there's a bell on the door and in the morning, if he's the one who's made tea and he's seen that there is no milk, yeah, will he be able to take the milk from the milkman and then give him also an additional input that today we need half a liter extra? Forget the fact that he is assessing that we are going to need, okay, let's not make it that complex. But if you have told him कि याद रखना आज भैया को बोलना है, और most of the time, so we will not do that. We will not tell the kid that please remember to tell the milkman. We will take the milk from the milkman on our own. So will the kid be able to communicate and to convey to the milkman that please give extra half liter milk today? Will he be able to take the message to someone in the same building 3 floors down and say mummy ne ye bola hai? We rather call up than to have our kid go. So these are also ADL skills. Can you trust him with managing all of his bag and baggage and his mobile and his wallet in a train? Okay, let's go a little step lower. Can you, let's not look at he doing a bag and baggage and going on the train on his own. Let's look at, is he going to be able to go to the train station and take a ticket? Okay, we're talking corona times, but once the corona is over, will he be able to take the go to the counter and say कि भैया एक नेरुल की ट्रेन दे दो, ट्रेन की टिकट दे दो, give me 1 ticket for Nerul? Or will he be able to even ask that on which platform will this train be? At one place, our dream is that as the kid grows up, my kid should be able to go to a hostel, forget hostel, go to a college, manage on his own, find out his classroom. But when it comes to ADL skills, our definition of ADL is revolving around a couple of things: dressing up, bathing, eating, personal hygiene, brush, potty. What beyond that? Doing his bit of life skills. Will he be able to contact his teacher over WhatsApp and say, is my report card ready? Will he be able to coordinate? Now those are the higher order things. A parent will say, what is she talking, my kid will not even go down the lift. Then your ADL skill for that matter becomes going down that lift. Yeah. So see, it's like me, complete my awareness, then my environment. Okay, my internal environment, my room, then my house. Does my kid know where what katori is kept and what glass is kept and what things are kept? Does my kid know if somebody comes home, I'm supposed to say hi, hello, I'm supposed to ask them? Will my kid be able to, does he know kahan pe namkeen bhujia rakha hai? Will he take it out in a katori? Will he be able to make tea? Will he be able to pour tea in the tray and put it in a katori and the namkeen bhujia and take it to the person with a smile and say? Another very important and very interesting fact that I've come across is we will make our neurotypical children do all that. Yeah, but when it comes to our neurodiverse children, even something like making a bed or sorting of utensils or anything for that matter, the first thing that will come to our heart is, oh, इसको तकलीफ है इसलिए ऐसे कर रहे हैं ना इसके साथ, इसको बोल रहे हैं कि तू पोछा लगा, इसको बोल रहे हैं कि तू बर्तन जोड़. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको तकलीफ है इसलिए. क्यों करे मेरा बेटा? क्यों नहीं करे? इसलिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि उसको तकलीफ है. I faced a similar thing at my own house. I told Jay, table clean कर, clean the table after food. And my maid said कि घर पे हम लोग हैं ना दीदी. ठीक है, जय थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, लेकिन ये थोड़ी मतलब है कि आप उससे टेबल साफ करवाओगे. And then I realized that this is the thought that goes in the head. And then I just looked at her and smiled and I said, वीर इधर आ, टेबल साफ कर. Then I said कि ममता दीदी, आपके दिल में ये बात क्यों नहीं आई जब वीर टेबल साफ करा? हाँ, वीर तो करने दो ना, कोई बात नहीं, उसको सीखने दो. तो जय को क्यों नहीं सीखने दो? जय क्यों टेबल साफ नहीं करेगा? नहीं, वो ऐसे लगता है ना कि उसको ऐसे करना, क्यों? उसको तकलीफ है इसलिए. तकलीफ कहाँ से बीच में आ गया? If my neurotypical has to learn, my neurodiverse has to learn, no? And tomorrow if he goes to a hostel, if he has to stay, like right now he's got selected for hotel management, he'll be going from home, coming back home. But suppose I shift base, suppose his parents get transferred, like it happens to everybody, no? It happened to me. My dad got transferred from Jammu. I was in the hostel. But the only way I could sustain the hostel, and then the hostel in Bareilly, where I did my MBA, little knowing that I would be going in the special field at that time. You know, as a kid, when I was as an adolescent, as a post teenager, like for my masters, I did my MBA in Bareilly. If I would not have known those skills, how would have I sustained myself? So it's not the question of whether, and then it is we parents who say, नहीं ये कहाँ कर लेगा, ये तो ये भी नहीं कर सकता. भैया सिखाया तुमने, वो नहीं कर सकता because you never gave them the responsibility. You never trusted them with it. Go down, talk to the grocer, tell him आपने गलत पैकेट दिया, आपने expired पैकेट दिया. उतना लैंग्वेज नहीं है तो किसका काम था वो लैंग्वेज सिखाना? You had to go down to the grocer. You had to take the kid. You had to train him at home. You had to tell the kid to say, भैया को बोलो, भैया ये पैकेट expired है. You had to find a time where even if it requires multiple attempts and you say कि नहीं भैया को समझ नहीं आया, ऐसे बताओ. What we rather do is, अरे छोड़ना, इतनी देर लगेगी इस काम में. I will go and I will talk myself. Even if I take the kid with me, the kid would be in their own sweet world, or the adolescent or the teenager would be in their own world. We would be doing all the dealing. We would be going to a shop and saying, इसका एक size छोटा है. Even for my kid, I will be doing that. Yeah, I will not let the kid say, भैया ये इधर से tight है. I will say, yeah. Even to my kid's teacher, I will say. Then how my kid will learn? Are these not ideal skills? Money is ideal skill. Management of time is ideal skill. Management of your personal belongings is ideal skill. So if I want my kid to do a train, and if my kid does not have so much of awareness that I kept my mobile on the train seat and I walked away happily without it, and it's gone, then who is going to teach him that? And one skill will lead to another, and one skill will lead to another. But so when I will give a 500 rupee note to my kid, I do risk the factor that it's a risk that he might just not take back all the money. So I will do a calculated risk taking. Yeah, so I will tell the shopkeeper, भैया वो आ रहा है, and I will send him to my known shopkeeper. 500 रुपए लेके आ रहा है, उससे इतना काटना है, लेकिन जब तक वो ना बोले कि इतना पैसा दो तो देना मत. और गलत, and sometimes I will have to tell the shopkeeper गलत change दो, so the shopkeeper will return the amount to me later. That's fine. Or I will train the kid and say, चेक करना भैया ने कितने पैसे दिए हैं, और फिर भैया को बोलना अगर चेंज पूरा नहीं है. And if required, I will then go with my kid, but keep mum. Don't be in the driver's seat when you are with your kid. You let the kid be in the driver's seat because that's what you want. Yeah? So the whole point of making this video is, it started with that friend of mine where I said, okay, wait, I will share with you what all ideal. But then I thought, why to only share with her? Why not to share with everybody? Because these are skills that can very easily be taught. Today, a lot of people message me and say, how did you manage this? How is he so independent? How can he travel to his college on his own? Rome wasn't built in a day. He was 6 years old and he was using the lift. And I was brave enough to try that. And that's the reason why step after step after step after step, he's been doing it. And trust me, even your academic skills will only be of use if there is ADL. ADL is the mother of everything. In its name, it is independent living, activities of daily living. Yeah, not independent living, daily living, but done independently. So if a kid can, walk up to the railway station, which is not very far off, only then you will be able to think that, okay, he can take the train. So if a kid can take the train, only then you will think that, okay, he will change stations. So if a kid can change stations, only then you will think that, okay, let him, bargain with the auto guy. So if a kid can bargain with the auto guy, only then you will think that further on. Again, going Dutch, going with friends. What is that? That is another math skill interwoven into ADL skills. So I am buying all the tickets, you buy all the food. Hardcore math. And then we'll go Dutch. So how much I need to pay to whom? Yeah? But then to be able to do that, you have to be able to stand in the line and say, भैया 6 ticket दे देना. And you need the math calculation कि 6 दोस्त है, 250 की ticket है, multiply it. And in your calculator also, if you can do, but at least you need to know that you need to multiply. Isn't that an ADL skill? Life is about ADLs. We teach them estimations. We teach them approximations. Yeah, that estimate it to the nearest. Yeah, we do that in math. But if your kid cannot estimate by looking at the dal ka bartan ki ye 1 mahina nahi chalegi, I have to make my grocery list and I need to write this dal down. If your kid does not have that awareness that you go to the mall and see, this is a bigger packet, it's costing this much, this is a smaller packet, it's costing this much, but this packet is bigger and so it is cheaper, and I need 1 full kg, so I should take this. Now some of you might be feeling, listening to me, that she's talking another planet. Yeah, my kid is not even walking out of the house on his own or crossing the road. So then that becomes your goal, irrespective of what his or her age is. And then the next step, and then the next step, and then the next step. Yeah, there is a kahawat in Punjabi. Yeah, I'm a Sudani, so I will just use that kahawat. It says, "Challange te pahunchange," which means if only you walk, you will reach. Yeah. So a 1 mile journey or a 100,000 mile journey will start with one step, the first step. Yeah. So that's about ADL. ADL is important. Make sure you do the right ADL skills with age. Take chances, trust God, pray daily, stay happy, stay in gratitude, and see your child bloom. May each kid win.